Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, then hi, I'm Srinidhi, and I make videos on skincare, hair care, and lifestyle. And so today's video is gonna be about my June favorites. So some of the products that I maybe you'll like this video, and also if you haven't seen my previous videos, then please go check it out. And yeah, so let's get into the video. So the first one is the glasses itself. So these glasses are the Blu-ray glasses or the computer glasses, which really blocks the Blu-rays that comes from your mobile phones and your laptop, your television screen. And so basically this glass protects your eyes from the harmful Blu-ray. Since I use my mobile and my laptop a lot these days, I was giving too much pressure to my eyes, so thought these Blu-ray glasses are really good to invest in. And yeah, I got these from Lenskart, and this is a pretty blue frame, and the price of this is 1119 rupees without GST. So including GST, it would be 1300 something. And I think these are really good and very much comfortable to wear. And you know, it's lightweight, that is, it is feather light, and it's like you're not even wearing any glasses. This is one of my favorites. And they also, second product is from Soap and Glory, and this is it's a deep cleansing milk. So you use this to wash away your makeup and your kajal, your lipstick and stuff like that. So it's really good. So this one has peach and gojuice. So it has a very mild fragrance, and it's like it is a 4-in-1 wash of cleansing milk. So what you do is you just take few pumps of it and put it on your face, and just wait for a few seconds and just wash it off with water, and your makeup just melts away. So this is such a great product to invest in. And so this is also for all skin types. So it says it purifies and clarifies, dissolves makeup, energizes and smooths. So it is not like only if you have makeup on you should use this. You can even use this cleansing milk to deep cleanse your skin, especially if your skin is oily, and if you feel that you have to double cleanse your face, and you just have to remove your dust and gunk that is onto your skin, then this is a great product. It just cleanses your skin completely, leaving it pretty clear. And so yeah, this is a good. The next one is also from Soap and Glory, and I'll try to put the links on the description for Soap and Glory, because Soap and Glory is not very easily available here. So the next one is this fragrance spritz, which is in the flavor almond and vanilla. So I personally love vanilla. So especially in the smell of vanilla is so great. I just love it. So this is an almond and vanilla spritz, and it smells heavenly. So it is really good. And the next one which I bought is this color bar. So let me tell you, if you are a person who doesn't love makeup, and someone who doesn't like to use foundation, concealer, etc, 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 then this product is such a go-to product. So illuminating lotion from Calabar, it's just like a moisturizer. So you just have to mix one pump of this into your favorite moisturizer or your sunscreen or your serum or anything that you use. So just mix both of it and apply it on your face, and it's gonna give you a pretty glow to your face, and you do not need any foundation or makeup if you hate all that, and you can even mix this into your foundation. The first time I'm trying this, and it is really good. It really gives a good glow to your face, and yeah, so this is from Calabar, and it is easily for about 6 to 7 months. So yeah, so the next one is this Laneige lip balm. So I've always wanted to try this Laneige lip balm since like a long time, and I just got this after such a long wait, because I've always used organic lip balms like the ones from Vilva and few other organic brands, but I always wanted to use this Laneige lip balm and finally got one. So it is actually Laneige lip sleeping mask, but it also can be used during the day. So I got it in berry flavor. So let me tell you, so this is how it looks, and it has the smell of berries. It's really good, and usually when you apply this at night and just leave it off, and in the morning you wake up with like soft and supple lips, especially if you have dry and chapped lips, this product is gonna be a savior for you. And I think this lip balm is really good, but this lip balm doesn't give you any tint to your lips. It's just it's just a transparent transparent thing, so no color or no tint, nothing. It just moisturize your dry and chapped lips, and that's it. I literally used almost all the lip balms, and finally I've come to a conclusion that this is the best lip balm personally. So I like this lip balm comparing to the other lip balms that I've used earlier. Like it's super moisturizing, and especially if you have dry and chapped lips, then this lip balm is going to solve that issue for you. So the next one is this lipstick from Sugar. So I have to tell you, this lipstick is such a gorgeous shade that you must have if you like to wear lipstick. So if you're not a lipstick person, then it's okay, just skip it. So this is a matte crayon, lip crayon, and as you can see, this is the shade of the lipstick. It comes with a sharpener, so you don't have to worry about it. And this shade, it is the best go-to shade for all your attire. So like so this is the shade that I'm wearing on my lips right now, and this is how it looks. So I haven't applied a thick layer of it. I just dabbed a little amount of the lip crayon onto my lips, and this is how it looks. And it's such a natural shade, and it doesn't look too bold. So it's like a very subtle shade that you can use it every day. but just make sure that you wipe it off before going to bed. So yeah, that's it. That is all about my June favorites. And like my videos, then please give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And yeah, thank you so much for supporting me. Thanks for watching. Bye.